Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a surefire way to impress all your guests, then you're going to love this cocktail smoker kit from ArwySciI.
This kit comes with 6 different wood chips for amazing flavor and all of the accessories you need to have a fantastic cocktail smoking experience. A little spoon that helps you put the wood chips right into the chimney. I really love how this fits all kinds of cups, whether it's a rocks glass, a champagne coupe, or a wine glass. This is going to fit on all of your glasses, and you're going to get such an amazing experience. Whether you want to smoke your glass before you pour your drink or add a little bit of smoke to the top of your cocktail, this does it all. The torch that this comes with is such high quality. It works so well. It's really, really powerful, and I really enjoyed playing around with all the different flavors. I liked putting a little bit of oak onto a glass of wine. It was really just an amazing experience. I love a cocktail smoker kit, and I think it's a perfect gift to give to anyone for a wedding or a housewarming or even just your favorite cocktail enthusiast. They are going to absolutely love this kit.
Take your cocktail parties to the next level and get this cocktail smoker kit. I love it. That's my point of view.